Hello, I'm Michael, the General Manager of ZY Karog. Today I will introduce to you a classical model in the EV charger industry. It is Z21. Z21 is the Wallbox AC type EV charger of ZY Karog, power from 7 kilowatts to 22 kilowatts, and it supports Type 1, Type 2, and GBT. Z21 is easy to install and can be simply installed on walls or column, suitable for home use. Z21 has a 2.4-inch display screen for more intuitive operation, and it mainly supports several types charging methods. First is instant charging, just plug and charge. Second is card charge, and third is app charging, and this is optional. Need to integrated app function in advance. Also, Z21 has gone through a series of rigorous tests, including car crash test, drop test, waterproof test, leakage protection test, etc. And all indicators have performed extremely well in AC EV charger. ZY Karog, new energy EV charging pioneer, leading the new technology trend in EV charging industry. Your satisfaction is always our greatest pursuit.